In this video, I'm going to talk about using assignments in such a way that students can turn in work that they've created in other sources. We've looked at how teachers can create templates and distribute them to students, but what if you wanted students to be more creative than that and use other tools in order to create uh, work that they turn into you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create an assignment. And this assignment is going to be called Modalities of Writing, let's say. And then I've pasted in the instructions here. And so let's say you've just been talking about different approaches and theories of writing in your class from a number of different perspectives. And the assignment is to create a short illustration of one of these approaches or theories using whatever medium the student wants. So they could create video, presentation, website, something else, and turn it into you. And so the final instruction is when you're done, turn in your finished product to this assignment. Now, we've seen how we can go in and attach that Google Doc that we made. So if we had our, worksheet here, we could attach that. And then we have these different options that students can use the file. But we're not going to do that this time. We're going to leave it more open-ended in terms of what kind of material the student can turn in. So we can go ahead and assign a due date to it. And then maybe we want to put a topic in here. Maybe this falls under English language arts. And then all we do is just simply assign it. And so now we have this kind of open-ended assignment that doesn't have anything attached to it. The student is actually going to attach the work that they did elsewhere. So let me jump over to the student screen and show you what they see and show you how they would turn in a piece of work that they did in another place outside of, the template or even outside of the Google Suite. So now we're in our demo students account. They've gotten an email from me about the assignment, and they're going to go ahead and open it and take a look at it. So that will open up Classroom. And you'll notice that what they have here is an add button where they can add something from their Google Drive, a link, or a file. So this is where they could add content that they've created in other places. A link, especially if they made a website or worked in a different tool. Or they can create a doc, a slide, a sheet, or a drawing here from this menu. Now, let's say this student created in her drive or uploaded to her drive a video. And this is about the concept of white ink. And so it's a little short 30-second video that kind of illustrates something that she's learned in class. And she wants to turn it in. So in this case, she's going to add it from her Google Drive. I mean, she just uploaded it to Google Drive. She could have created it in anything. So we'll just click that, add it to the assignment. And then it will take a second, but then it will appear. And then she just simply turns it in. And it will say, do you really want to turn in your work? And she says, yes, I want to turn it in. Now back over to the teacher screen to see what we got. So as a teacher, I can see that one student has completed the assignment. And so I can click into that. And then I can see that demo student has finished her work and she has turned in the video that we watched. what I can do is go ahead and return the work to her. So I can click return, and then I could, of course, as we've seen before, write a private comment to her. Great job. You really illustrate the concept. And now she has her video back and she's got our comment on it. We could have put a grade on it, but we decided not to this time. But that's basically it. Students can turn in work from really anywhere on the web using either the link feature. They can upload videos into Drive, or they can create documents themselves from Google Drive to turn in. So it's not dependent upon a teacher making a template for the student. They can be creative in a number of different ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions.